Hello everyone, and welcome to this new edition of C Programming Basics. Today we will talk about the statements used in C programming. We have three statements, which are the if statement, the if-else statement, and the switch statement. We will start by the if statement. The if statement is one in which a condition is imposed, and if the condition is met, that is, it is true, then the program is executed. The syntax of the if function is if, then condition, and then in the braces we have our lines of codes. An example of if statement is int age, and please enter the age, scanf, we store our age, and then if the age is greater than 18, printf, the age is greater than 18. So we build and run, we input, let's say 19, and we have that the age is greater than 18, so our program works correctly. Then we will talk about the if-else statement. The if-else statement is one in which a condition is imposed, and if the condition is true, the program is executed in the if part of the statement. But if the condition is false, that is, it is not met, the program is executed in the else part of the statement. The syntax for an if-else statement is we have the if part and the else part. An example of if-else statement is we have the int age, print, please enter the age. If age is greater than 18, we have the if part which says print, the age is greater than 18. Or else, if the age is not greater than 18, we have the else part which says the age is less than 18. So let's build and run. If we put, let's say 5, we will have that the age is less than 18, which is true. So our program works effectively. Let's try for one greater than, let's say 20, and we have that the age is greater than 18. Then we can conclude that our program works correctly. And finally, we will talk about the switch statement. This is one which is used for multiple way selection logic when there are many conditions to be checked. This one is easier to read and write rather than using multiple if statements, which will make your work very clumsy. An example of a switch statement, we have a program to give the observation due to student marks in an examination. We have enter the student mark, the switch mark. These are our different cases: 97, 95, 90, 85. If these cases are fulfilled, the program should print excellent. Then we have 75, 70, then very good. 60 we have good, and 40 we have okay. Then if a mark is entered into our program which is not specified in these cases, we will have a default print which is grade unavailable. That is, if a mark is entered which is not 97, 95, 90, 85, 75, 70, 60 or 40, we will have as default print grade unavailable. So let's build and run. Enter a mark. If we put 75, we have very good, because 75 is a case. But if we build again and we have, let's say 53, we will have our default print grade unavailable. This is because 53 is not part of our cases. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on C Programming Basics. Ciao ciao ciao.